Looking for a reliable cordless screwdriver to make your DIY projects faster and easier? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 cordless screwdrivers that combine power, portability, and smart design. Let's dive in. Number 1. The SKIL Twist 2.0 is a compact 4-volt cordless screwdriver designed with flexibility in mind. Its pivoting head can lock into 3 positions: 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, allowing the tool to adapt to different working angles, especially in confined or awkward spaces. To match the demands of various tasks, it offers 3 torque settings, giving users control over how much force is applied. A forward and reverse trigger button is positioned for one-finger operation, making direction changes straightforward. For visibility in dimly lit areas, the tool includes a built-in LED light. Power comes from an integrated rechargeable battery, which uses a USB-C port for charging, a practical feature for modern setups. The kit is supplied with a USB-A to USB-C cable, a 28-piece bit set, and a carrying case, providing a complete package for general household or light project use without requiring additional accessories. Number 2. The Hi-Spec electric screwdriver is a compact cordless tool designed specifically for screwdriving tasks, making it suitable for everyday household projects but not intended for drilling. Powered by a 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery, it recharges via USB in approximately 3 to 5 hours and comes partially charged, though a full charge is recommended before first use. The screwdriver weighs only 0.7 pounds and measures 6.5 by 5.2 by 1.7 inches, making it lightweight and easy to store or carry. It operates at a single speed of 180 revolutions per minute with a torque output of 4 Newton meters, providing sufficient performance for assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or handling general repairs. The kit includes 23 interchangeable driver bits, allowing compatibility with a wide range of screw types, along with additional accessories to support common household applications. Its simple design emphasizes portability and convenience for routine tasks. Number 3. The HOTO electric screwdriver kit is a cordless tool with a 3.6-volt battery. It comes with 25 durable steel bits, including 1 extended PH2 bit and 24 standard bits. A magnetic design makes changing bits quick and easy, and an extension rod helps reach screws in narrow spaces. The kit is stored in a compact box with a magnetic lid that keeps everything organized. This screwdriver has 3 torque settings. In electric mode, it delivers up to 4 Newton meters of torque. In manual mode, it provides up to 8 Newton meters for extra control. A smart sensor stops rotation when the button is released, improving safety. The built-in battery has a capacity of 1500 mAh. It charges fully in under 150 minutes using a Type-C port. A circular LED light provides clear visibility without shadows, making it easier to work in dark or tight spaces. Number 4. The Fanttik E2 Ultra Mini is a cordless screwdriver designed for precision repairs on electronics and small devices. It delivers up to 0.6 Newton meters of torque with a 270 RPM motor, making it suitable for tablets, phones, watches, laptops, and small appliances. 5 torque adjustment levels, ranging from 0.05 to 0.6 Newton meters, allow careful control to avoid damaging delicate parts. The tool is powered by an 800 mAh rechargeable battery. It lasts longer than the previous E1 Max model and charges through a convenient Type-C port. Storage is handled by the RevoStore magnetic case. This aluminum alloy case has a pop-up design and a rotary bin that keeps bits clean and organized. The set includes 50 high-strength steel bits, a long X 2.0 bit, a pry bar, and tweezers for small repairs. A gradient indicator bar shows torque level and screw direction, adding clarity during use. Number 5. The Fanttik S1 Pro is a cordless electric screwdriver built for larger household and technical tasks. It uses a 2.2 ORPM motor with 3 torque settings: 1.5, 3, and 4.2 Newton meters. The tool can reach a maximum hard torque of 6 Newton meters, and manual use provides up to 8 Newton meters. This range makes it suitable for assembling computers, installing fixtures, or working on furniture. The kit includes 16 bits made from hardened S2 steel. These bits cover 5 categories and are designed for durability and long service life. Both the chuck and the bits are magnetic, making connections secure and simple. All parts are stored in a magnetic aluminum alloy case with a pop-up design for easy organization. Power comes from a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. On a full charge, it can drive up to 340 screws. A Type-C port and power indicator make charging and monitoring straightforward.